How to use Lynis for Linux security auditing. In today's video, we'll show you how to use Lynis, a powerful security auditing tool for Linux systems. Let's dive in. What is Lynis? Lynis is an open-source security auditing tool designed to perform in-depth security scans on Unix-based systems. It helps administrators harden their systems and improve overall security. Installing Lynis. First, let's install Lynis on your Linux system. The process is straightforward. For Red Hat-based systems like Alma Linux, use the following commands. Running a basic Lynis scan. With Lynis installed, you can run a basic security audit by executing the following command. This command initiates a comprehensive system audit, checking various aspects of your system's security posture. Please wait until the scanning process is complete. Interpreting the scan results. After the scan completes, Lynis provides a detailed report. Key areas to focus on include warnings, potential security issues that require attention, suggestions, recommendations for improving security, tests performed, list of checks Lynis conducted, detailed analysis of Lynis report. Let's take a closer look at the Lynis report. For each warning and suggestion, Lynis provides specific details and possible solutions. For example, enabling SSL TLS in Nginx is recommended to protect the privacy of users, including sniffing of sensitive data on networks. Installing Apache mod _evasive to guard web server against DOS brute force attempts. Automating Lynis scans. To keep your system secure, consider automating Lynis scans. You can set up a cron job to run Lynis periodically. This example schedules a Lynis audit every Monday at midnight. Conclusion and final tips. Lynis is a powerful tool for securing your Linux system. By regularly auditing your system, you can identify and address potential security issues before they become serious. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.